Hi guys, good morning. Today we're gonna make an ocean piece. I always have ocean triptychs, but they all sold, or well, I still have one and it's in my Etsy store. But I always make sure I have a couple of these triptychs. So let's make the first one of this triptych. So I got the colors Phthalo blue, Winsor blue, ice blue, cobalt, metallic blue, bronze and white. This should be enough. I'm gonna start with white and the canvas is scraped off. I don't know when, but it's perfect to make a new painting on. I'm only doing this part with white. Then I'm gonna layer the colors. Let's do it from here. A little bit of white in here. Okay, I'm gonna pour here more white, like that. And now I'm gonna blow it back out. Okay. So this went very fast, but it's gorgeous. I love this cobalt green in here. I really hope you can see it on camera because it's so vibrant and sort of metallic-y. Very cool. So this is the first one of my new triptych. And yeah, let's make two new ones. I'm very excited and I love how it turned out. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to know when we upload a new video. Alright, see you next time.